Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the Britney Spears iconic look in the Oops, I Did It Again MV in DTI. So it's time to serve Y2K pop princess realness. In this tutorial, we are recreating Britney Spears' legendary schoolgirl look from her Baby One More Time music video. And this is the looks for the Britney that I just created, and I'm going to show you how you can do it step by step. So let's do the hair first. First, I'm going to put on this bangs, and I'm going to use this brown color. And then I'm going to go to the updo category and use this long braid hair in the same color. Okay, I think I'm going to use the third one. So I'm going to change the bangs color also. And now when you are done with the hair, you can start with the outfit. First, for the skirt, I'm going to use this white skirt in here, but change the color into black, all black. Then I'm going to put on this Mary Jane shoe. Toggle it into add socks and change the color of the socks to black. Then put on this top in here, color it white. Then I'm going to put on this socks and toggle it into high strip socks, but change the color to all black. And now you're just going to put on the iconic ribbon on the hair and also the cardigan or the jacket. So I'm going to use this one. I'm not going to change the color. And lastly, put on this jacket on the code item, this one. Toggle it into no watermelon and change the color into gray, like this, and you are done. So this is the Britney iconic look that I created. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.